Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize secure SSH keys with ssh-agent on macOS. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your terminal application on macOS. First, check if you already have SSH keys set up. You can do this by entering the command lsl/.ssh. Look for files named id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. If you don't see these files, you'll need to generate a new SSH key pair. To generate a new SSH key, type ssh-agent TRSAB4096C your email at example.com. Press enter to accept the default file location. Set a passphrase for added security, or just press enter for no passphrase. After generating the key, start the SSH agent in the background. You can do this by typing eval $SSH-agent s. Next, add your SSH private key to the SSH agent. Use the command ssh-add k/.ssh/id_rsa. Now your SSH key is added to the agent. To confirm that your key has been added, type ssh-add l. The output will display the fingerprint of your SSH key. Your SSH keys are now authorized and ready for use. Ensure your public key is added to your remote server or service. You can do this by copying the public key with cat/.ssh/id_rsa.pub. Paste the public key into the appropriate settings on your remote host. That's it. You have successfully authorized your SSH keys using ssh-agent on macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.